Hello guys, welcome back. In this video you will learn how you can check the internet connectivity. That is, if the internet is not available, either Wi-Fi or mobile SIM card internet, then we cannot proceed. If the user click on the sign up button, we will just tell to the user, please first connect to the network, that is to the internet. Once the user is connected to the internet, only then the user can sign up. So how we can add and check the network availability, that is either the internet is available or not. So you will learn how we can do that using Flutter. So for that purpose, when the user click on the sign up button, we will call here a method which will be by the name check if network is available. So this method, let's implement it here. Above the widget build, we can say check if network is available. As you know that we will use reusable code because we will need this method which we are going to implement now. For that we will create a separate class. So whenever we need to check the network availability, that is either the internet is available or not, we will just call that method. So right click on lib, new, create a new folder. I will give it name as methods. Right click on methods, new .file, and I will give it name as common underscore methods. Create a class by name common methods, and our method which will be check connectivity. Check connectivity. This method we will implement here. It will be a synchronous method, as we have to wait for the network, either it is available or not. The result, for that result we will wait. So in order to use that, go to the pubspec.yml file, and we need a dependency connectivity plus, this one. Okay, we need this. Click on pubget in order to install connectivity plus in our Flutter project. So as it is installed successfully, now here you can create a variable. We will give it name as connection result, and you know that connection result simply means either the internet is connected or not. So we will check connectivity dot check connectivity. So it will bring us the result for the internet. Now in a mobile phone, for example, if you use this, there are many ways you can check. For example, I mean the internet connection types, like either you are using Ethernet cable, using the Ethernet cable you connect, for example, with your computer. But as this is mobile phone, so we will check only for two things: either the user phone is connected to a Wi-Fi, or the user phone is using the SIM card internet. When you have the SIM card in your phone, you can also use the internet. You already know that. So two kind of things we are going to check here. We will check if the connection result which we are getting back, if that is not equals to the connectivity result dot. So you see we have either Wi-Fi or mobile in a phone. You can also check Bluetooth and other things, but this is not our concern. Our concern is only to check the internet connection. And in a mobile phone, either it is the SIM card internet which the user is using, that is the mobile phone, it means the SIM card internet, and either the user is using the Wi-Fi internet, that is the user phone is connected to a Wi-Fi. So we will use both of these. So we will first check if the user is not using the mobile internet, which is the SIM card internet. Okay, that is the user is not connected to the internet using SIM card. Okay, this is the first condition. And also we will check that if the connection result is also not equals to Wi-Fi. Okay, which simply means that the user is not connected to the SIM card internet, and also the user is not using or not connected with the Wi-Fi. It means the internet is not working. So we will just tell to the user, please connect to the internet first. So for that purpose we will display a message. like a snack bar message. So after the check connectivity method, let's quickly create another method which will be display snack bar, which will be like a toast message. So we can say variable snack bar equals to snack bar, and the content will be what we will pass to this. So what message we want to display in the snack bar, so it will be message text. So that message text we will display here. And of course that we will display using the text widget like this. Okay, message text. Now as we have the snack bar instance, that is a snack bar with a message text, then we can display it using the scaffold messenger dot of context dot show snack bar, and our snack bar we have to pass here. Okay, also this method will receive one thing as a parameter, and that will be the context from where we are calling it. So now we can simply call this method and display a snack bar, or you can say a toast message to a user. So the first parameter is the message text, and the second one is the context. This method will also receive context from where we are calling this method. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply say that internet is not, your internet is not working, your internet is not available, or you can say not working, your internet is not working, try again, check your connection and try again, you can say. So yeah, this will be our message, and we have to check if context is not mounted, then return. Whenever you use context inside a asynchronous method, then you have to check if the context is not mounted, then return. So what it will do, you already know that we are checking if the user is connected to the internet or not. So we check using the connection result. If the user mobile SIM card internet is not working, and if the user Wi-Fi is also not working, it simply means that the user internet is not available, that is, it is not working. So we tell to the user, check your connection and try again. You display that message using the snack bar. So well, now we can come back to the sign up screen, and here we can first create an instance of our common method class. We will give it name as C methods, just to differentiate with the class name. Okay, so C method simply means common methods. Using this C method instance, we can call the class methods. So the method which we are going to call is ccheck.check connectivity, and we will pass the context of our sign up screen to that. Okay, so we are checking the context here. As you see, we just call that method. Okay, and it will do the rest, that is, it will check if the user is connected to the internet or not. And now the advantage of using this reusable code, which is object oriented programming, okay, inside the class we have these methods. The advantage of this is, now whenever we need to check the network availability, we will just call our this method. Okay, from our this class we will just call that method. Even if we want to display a snack bar using this instance, we can even call that snack bar anywhere we want. So now let's just test the application on our phone. So the app is running now, and now if I go to the sign up, as you see that my internet is now working. Okay, so if I click on sign up, it will not show me anything because the internet I am connected to the Wi-Fi. Now if I disconnect my mobile network, that is the mobile SIM card internet, I disconnect that. Also I will disconnect my Wi-Fi, so I disconnect both. So now if I just click on the sign up button, as you know there is no internet now, so if I click on the sign up button, it will show me this error: your internet is not available, check your connection, try again. You can see that.